今回は英語でエクササイズ、一石二鳥の動画です。こんにちは、英語アットワークの泰子です。Let me share Barre Exercise. What is Barre? Barre Exercise はバレエ、ヨガ、ピラティのエレメントを持つクロスオーバーなワークアウトです。最近ちょっと凝ってます。一緒に練習してみませんか？この動画がお役に立ったらいいねマークもお願いします。そして登録もお願いします。インスタもやってますよ。バーエクササイズは体力を高め、バランスを改善し、そして姿勢を良くし、アイソメトリックなエクササイズです。バーエクササイズは手すりを使った運動と床でマットを引いた床運動、2種類があります。手すりはこういうキッチンの流し台とか椅子の背もたれを使って安定したところで練習してください。バレエやダンスの経験がない初心者でも気軽に楽しめるワークアウトです。今回は7分の基本的なエクササイズを紹介します。一緒に練習してみましょう。それでは参りましょう。体調の悪い時や怪我をなさっている方は特に十分にウォームアップしてください。息を止めないでくださいね。練習中は無理をしないように安全に気をつけてください。Let's begin standing at the bar, facing away. Place both hands behind you with a light touch. Heels together, toes apart. Extend your right legs in front of you. Flex your foot. Now little lift. Rotate your leg, inner thighs facing the ceiling. Bend your standing legs, tuck your hips under. Can you lift the leg just an inch higher? Now little bend stretch. Can you stretch your leg even straighter? Now circle your toes. Circle, circle, circle. Don't drop the legs here. Keep it up. Switch directions. Switch side. Heels together, toes apart. Left leg extended. Flex the foot. Softening the right knee and retuck. Now little lift. Keep the inner thighs to the ceiling. Now little bend stretch. Keep rotating the inner thighs to the ceiling. Now circle the toes. Go circle, circle, circle. How tiny you can make your circles. Switch directions. Release. Come back standing. Now wrap your right leg back and around, keeping your knee lifted to the side and foot flexed. Bend your standing leg. Level your hips and tuck them under. Now press back with your heel. Press back. Squeeze and close and open. Now circle the toe, go circle, circle, circle. Don't drop the leg here. Keep it up. Switch directions. Switch sides. Wrap your leg round and back. Flex your foot and tuck both hips under. Now press back your heel. Press back. Now knee to knee and open. Squeeze and close and open. Now circle the toe, go circle, circle, circle. How tiny can you make your circles? Switch directions. Release. Come to lying on your back. Legs straight up, toes pointed. Now open, close, curl. Try to have some control of curl. Keep the legs pointing straight up. Now one squeeze and one curl. Squeeze the legs. Now flex, point, curl. Flex, point, curl the hips up. Curl the hips up. Release and lay back. Now heels together, toes apart, feet flat on the ground. Squeeze your seat and lift hips up. Now circle the hips. Keep everything else still. Just isolate those hips. Switch directions. Now tuck your hips. Tuck, tuck. You should feel the base and the outer seat. Now tuck side to side. Tuck right, tuck left. Roll your hip bones forward. Keep your abs in. And release. Come to lying on your back. Extend your right leg to the sky, left leg long to the mat, and interlace your hands behind your right hamstring, and gently pull your leg towards your face. Bring your right foot down. Pull your left knee into your chest. Interlace your hands behind your left hamstring, right leg along your mat, lengthening your left leg and drawing it towards your chest. Release your left leg. Stretch your legs out and find your Shavasana. Enjoy the Shavasana here, as long as you feel the right for you.